Okay, job is done. Tired and sweat and I'm happy. Here are my Thaleas, my brand new rosemary tree coming from a regular branch of a big rosemary tree. And show you something funny. This is my, I don't know what you call it. You can, if you want, you can call it my compost lot. Basically, here I just dump all the grass when I mow the lawn. Actually, I mowed some lawn today, as you can see, grass coming from my mower, and I throw it here. Just throw it. And year after year, I've been doing this since I was 8, basically, and I filled it up. And this is the treasure of nature. Here it is. Look, if you just dig with your shovel a little hole, look how beautiful it becomes. Look at this. This is beautiful terriccio, very, very fertile soil. Is compost basically, is grass, branches, leaves. You see there are some leaves or my oak tree that when I mow the lawn they get trimmed, and I throw everything in there. Everything, like big branches, whatever I have, I just throw it there. It's my dumper, if you want. And it turns out a beautiful terriccio, the one that you actually buy when you go to the greenhouses and you pay them, a ton of money to get it. Just choose a corner in your yard and keep throwing there everything that you have, your grass, your apples, whatever, and next year this is what you have. You have a beautiful terriccio that actually I took and I put it here to help my little Thalea to survive. Let's see if they make it. I really hope so. Now, okay, fun is over. I need to go back to the office and do some international trade and see if I can sell some wine for the beautiful Valpolicella. Un bacio a tutti, salute. Ciao ciao.